Hello, I'm Miss Madison, and I will be teaching your students World Lit and Comp this year. It's really exciting. I'm excited to be here. So excited to have the kids back. I come to you guys from CSU. I got my master's degree at CSU, so go Rams. And I've been studying and teaching language arts classes for the last 18 years. And I'm especially excited to be here for this year and have the kids back in the building. So really excited for you guys to be back. So what is World Lit? So World Lit takes place sophomore year. It is a turning point for readers, and it's crucial that we push ourselves to start reading more and more challenging texts, kind of preparing for junior year, but also for life. So for our in-class readings, students may feel kind of frustrated because we'll be reading harder stuff together as a class. But I will also be telling you guys that we can do it together, and we'll be challenged to read those things together and talk about them together. And you won't be alone. We'll be processing those harder texts kind of together. But then while the texts we do in class, when we're reading together as a class, may be a little harder, I will also be inspiring you guys to choose your own books. So your novels that you choose, especially first quarter, will all be choice books. So you guys get to read whatever you want. And my goal is for you guys to just enjoy reading again. So when it comes to fiction, especially, I want you guys to just enjoy reading. And you guys do get to pick your own books for that. We will also be reading other novels together as a whole class second quarter, but especially first quarter, students get to pick their own books. So I'm excited for that. In terms of writing for this class, we focus a lot on both persuasive and research-based writing, but also we do creative writing and some analysis. So like looking at how does good writing work and analyzing what did they do and how did that affect the audience. So we write for a variety of purposes, not just academic, but also for fun, and so that students can see that different audiences require different types of writing. So again, I'm available. My email is lmadison@psdschools.org, and I can put that here. Schools.org. I check my email way too often, so if you guys have any questions or if there's anything I should know about your students, please feel free to email me. We also have our learning pages, which have our Google Classroom stuff and syllabus available if you guys are more interested in more details. So I'm excited to have your students, and I'm excited to be back. And email me if you have any questions. Okay, thanks guys.